Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Skiller. You see it? Now, anybody remember a story about a police officer that killed his wife and then released a voice note stating as to why him do the murder and actually confessing to the murder? You see me? Now, the wife of that police officer, you see me, which is known as Janet Hardy, had a son that was missing for over 17 years now. I would say 17 years then, you see me? And that son that was missing, is about 5 years old at the time, and he was missing while they were at a beach in Senton. You see? Now, here comes another story now about a youth that is known as Junior Page, where he's now 20 years old and him can't find him background of like identification. You see me? Him have no birth certificate and him start to get suspicious that the people that claims to be his parents are not. You see me I say? But it seems to me like they might have tell him. Anyways, 2018, because of social media, the two stories connected together, right? And it ended up that these two people come to agreement to get DNA done because she want to find her long lost son and him want to find out him background where he come from. You see it? So therefore the two of them now an agreement to do a DNA test, which is supposed to be done from about April last year, which is 2018. However, that not do no. You see what I say? So now that Mrs. Hardy Lawrence passed away, this young man is trying to get a closure on his life to find out if this lady could really be his mother. You see me? The man that is known as Junior Page stated that him have a doubt that she might be his mother, but for a closure in his life, him want to do this test. And him said that from about last year. You see it? Alright, so social media now start to bash this young man, and I say that this young man only look certain things, yada yada, this and that. You know, on social media stays, isn't it? But anyways, here I'm going to show you a video of this young man explaining his side of the story, what go on and what social media has said about him and all these things. As I say, now remember that this story is a sad story. As I say, so before you even go to the story and listen to it, just remember, viewer discretion is advised. Alright, observe.
Yeah, this is Junior Page, live and direct. I'm gonna get this straight to everybody. Everybody listen to this. You understand me? I brought up in our family. I have 9 of us. I'm the only one that wasn't registered. You get me? I said never register. So imagine me the third child, the only one never register. From all these years, why me never register? You get me? I say why people been lying, asking who my father is. Nobody can give me a steady answer. Couldn't get for done a CXC of them something. No birth certificate. Ask for birth certificate, nobody never want to tell me. Knowing the fact that since 2016 I went out myself and go behind box and check out RGD. No, nothing registered for me. I wasn't registered. Get the papers then give Miss Mara McCarthy to sign up, which is my mother. I'm not be biased with nobody. I tell her she grew me. Give her the papers sign up. She take a long to sign it up. Then next, look at the time she just died. You get what I'm saying? So, I don't really understand. I don't get the drift, I don't get the picture there, so. Only last year, I saw they reach out to me when the article released. And things are adding up at my missing child, and I never really doubt it. I said I was going to do the DNA to let everybody please, everybody be happy, and so forth. So, my side of family been cursing Miss Hardy, threatening her and things. And now, since Tuesday I heard that she died, I was trying to reach out to her but couldn't get the chance to reach out to her. Now, I reached out on Facebook, and why people come in then and say, "Me like something to scam." I'm not looking at anything to scam. I'm just looking at closure to all this. I really need answers. I really need to know who my real father is. Who really am I? I'm using a name that don't belongs to me. So I really want to know who really I be. I want to know the true me. So I don't want to now come out and a clash and I say this or that. I am going to attend to the funeral. Pay my respect to her. Something is not connect here. Something is not connect. Why people hide things from me? I'm big enough. Tell me things. Yeah, tell me. Point blank, tell me. Don't hide it. I'm all enough. I'm all enough. If you know I'm not your child, just tell me, say, boy, me and your child. I understand. I will see with things. I'm not going to be the junk of you say, boy, you know, my mother right here. But now they make things get bad. Now they make me get for deceive you. Look on our clash and I say, my own family will grow me up. Look on have it for you say. It stink over social media. It stink everywhere. I asked for answers and you guys did not give me. I know I find the answers and I'm getting closure. Why y'all trying to, oh boy. But I ask God does to guide. Just to guide me through this process. I'm willing to do the DNA again, as I stated before last year. I am willing to do it, and I am going to do it again. I just want to say, can't take no more of this.
Now, may I repeat it again? You see me? This youth that is now known as Junior Page, right? All the youth saying want is a closure to the chapter of his story. You see me I say? Because guess what happened now? You know, the lady has passed away, but at the same time, you know, it would be really, really sad for no so that him just let this opportunity to find out who him be go just like that, because that got even harder for him, you see me? And things like these goes to show you the power of social media. You see it? Because social media, you know, people cause social media at times. We know say bad, but at the same time, social media can do a lot of good. It's just that some people abuse it. Anyways, Miss Janet Hardy Lawrence, right, is now, right, was a very successful businesswoman. As I say, she started out as a vendor with a stall. Yes, I said to you, work her way from a vendor with a stall to owning a store. You see me in Senton, and then at the same time keep working her way till she end up owning the whole plaza in Senton. And that is a very, very big thing, a big inspirational thing. You see me? She's considered to be a very, very generous woman. You see me? She do a lot of sponsors and all these things. A lot of people talk a lot of great about her, and her mother is in grief, you know, because her mother, you know, troubled by high blood pressure and all these things. As a man says, so the mother say her daughter got through a whole heap. First a missing son, now this with the husband and all these things. As a man say. And as for the husband, police officers still have him in custody, claiming to say that they are doing more investigation towards the story. So we don't know how far that will go, but them say as soon as information is gathered, they will give it to the newspaper company and so forth to carry out there to the media. You see me? Now, for the son now, he's about to do a DNA test, but people are bashing, saying that the son only look money and all them sitting there and one bag of up and down and thing, due to the fact that this just arrived now. But people have to understand that this youth is trying to get a closure upon his life. You see me I say, remember now, the youth don't have a birth certificate, really and truly. You see? And you know, but a lot of people might say that an excuse. But anyways, you don't know the thing go already. Me, Dancehall Skilla, only bring to you, my viewers, what happened on social media right about now. You see me I say? So here's what I left it to you for you to decide and think for yourself. This is an update on the whole Janet Lawrence story thing that happened. Yes, I say, and condolences to the family and the loved one of such a great entrepreneur. You see me? From nothing to something. But it is sad what really take place. You see? Alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comment and let me know what you think, and always read the comment section to stay up to date, because in the comment section people will often give information sometimes in the comment section, including myself, and that can keep you up to date as well. You see me I say? Alright, my name is Skilla, and this way just see is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Uno big up on yourself, you see?
Hey my youth, you know what I watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.